So we have the Laguna Seca Boss 302 2012 Mustang. Client, I think he bought this new. Definitely has been tracking it over the years. Did some modifications on the suspension, the transmission, I believe some engine work as well. Not exactly 100% about that. Unfortunately, he should have protected the car before he started tracking it. Then again, in 2012, not that many people even knew about PPF, but you know, unfortunately, the car was tracked without protection. So you got your rock chips, etc., up front. But besides that kind of damage, the car otherwise came out really nice after a paint correction that we did. The owner decided to put it up for sale, so he wanted to have it cleaned up. The car came in, besides the rock chips that you see here, very, very obviously. You know, but again, this is from tracking. But besides these, the car came in with a lot of swirl marks, dullness to the paint, etc. So the paint correction absolutely woke up the paint again. You see the level of gloss that we achieved. No ceramic coating or anything like that. It was just a correction to make the paint pop again. Cleaned up the engine compartment, cleaned up the interior. Let me see if I can pop the hood. You have the rear seat delete. You got the roll cage. Like I said, it's plenty of not interior, suspension modifications. You can hear how smooth the car runs. I'm not exactly sure what the mileage is. Oops, there we go. The engine came out really nice. Everything came out very clean. Runs very smooth. I believe he has an exhaust system on here as well. At least I see the pipes, the tailpipes from pipes. I'm not sure if there's headers, but the car really looks good for an example that was actually tracked and not just tucked away in a garage. Like I'm sure so many of these, once they were bought, were just put away by people who thought or knew that they would become collectibles. You know, this owner actually enjoyed it the way it was intended to be. And now it's ready to go to the new owner, or a new owner. Still a beautiful car. 13 years later, still looks amazing.